come into the resort, this is what you'll see on the way in here. For anybody, first time here, have a visual. Have some fellow Lance truck owners that were asking about this too. So it's much easier if you have a truck camper or a van. If you have a bigger RV, I really wouldn't go south of here. Rough roads. And you can see a lot more and be more adventurous with the smaller setup. And then over here they have sand dunes where you can ride your ATVs or go hiking. And then they also set up fireworks up here. So we woke up one night, but it was only a few, not too bad. And then as you pull in here, they welcome you and you can just pick out your spot. And we got a nice seaside spot. It was really nice. This is the spot we're in. We're leaving today. It's a beautiful area today. Here's our camper. We had a great time. We met our friends here now, so we're ready to hit the road down to Portecito. Here's the little pavilion here, and then they have a little restaurant in here. Victor's mom cooks. She's a very good cook, and anything Victor can do to help you out, he is very accommodating and helpful. Here's Victor of Victor RV. This has been awesome.
Thank you.
And you're open year round?
Yeah.
Yeah. And they have a full kitchen here, and what else do you?
We have a full bar and the best seafood in town.
Oh,
and
for sure, we had some. Okay. And then what activities can we do around here?
Oh, well, the activities you can do hot springs, mud bed, catamaran tour, UTVs, ATVs, paddle boarding, kayaking, waterfalls, drives in the desert. And this is good. Good San Felipe is the best. It's a door for the Baja.
How long have you lived here?
All
your life, or?
Yeah, no, we live in all my life.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Only we'll be here with the family.
No, this has been in the family for a long time.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, well, good. And he's a new papa with a beautiful baby girl.
We have a papa with a beautiful daughter, Catalina.
Yes, she is so cute.
Thank you. Yeah.
I'll have to get a video if I see her before I go. She's very, very cute. Okay, thank you very much. We had a great time. It was wonderful here.
Thank you.
We'll definitely be back. All right, here's the Baja. We're in the northern Baja. We came in Mexicali up here. Mexicali East. Then we took this all the way down. This is Highway 5. We took it all the way down to San Felipe. And then today we're going to go down the 5 here to Portecito. There's supposed to be some hot springs down there. So it'll be a short day today, hopefully. But the yellow line here is dirt road's going to be pretty bumpy. This road's pretty good.
Alright. 2 tacos, machaca, y frijoles. Did you make the tortillas?
Sí.
Yeah, homemade tortillas.
These are the best.
Yeah, to Mexico, you definitely need to
All week, this is the best place.
sample the street tacos. street burritos.
Corazón probado para.
And the best part, they're $1.25 a piece. Beats the hell out of Taco Bell.
Yes. Much better than that.
Gracias.
Gracias. Gracias. Just a sec.
Good stuff.
Mark's favorite.
Homemade salsa.
De mi cobijita con la que me tapa.
What the heck is this?
I don't know, but it's good.
Cebolla.
Bueno.
Muy bueno. Good stuff.